Chapter 4. The Western Desert. What is a desert, children? A desert is a large area of land which is covered with sand. Why is it called Western Desert? Because it is located in the west part of our country. Aravalli Range is a mountain range which divides Rajasthan into two parts. The Great Indian Desert is in the western side of Rajasthan. It is also known as the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert starts from the run of Kutch in Gujarat and extends to the borders of Haryana. Just now I told you what is a desert, right? A desert is also termed as sandy plain. You must have seen small hills of sand in the pictures of desert. Here also you can see there is a picture where there is a hill of sand. These are called sand dunes. What happens when strong winds blow? These sand dunes start shifting. These storms are called dust storms, and it is a common feature in Rajasthan. Now, climate and natural vegetation. Do you know what is a natural vegetation? Natural vegetation means the plants that have been grown and produced naturally. The climate of the desert, we all know that the climate of the desert is very hot and dry throughout the year. Rainfall is less there, and therefore the people of Rajasthan face problems like a shortage of water. Summer season is marked by hot days and cool nights. During winters, days are warm but nights are extremely cold. There is hardly any vegetation found here. You will be able to see only thorny bushes, different varieties of cactus and kikar here. There are some places in Rajasthan wherein the underground water comes to the surface. Such places are known as oases, and because of the availability of underground water, land around an oasis is quite fertile. So people grow date palms here. Villages are also found here near oases. A caravan is a large group of people traveling across the desert. They normally rest near the oasis after a long journey through the hot desert. Just now we learned that because of less rainfall, there is shortage of water in the desert. As a result of it, this region remains hot and dry. In order to solve this problem of water supply, the government has taken certain steps. Water of the river Satluj and its tributaries now reach the desert through the Indira Gandhi Canal, which is also known as the Rajasthan Canal. And around the canal, green fields have also come up. This has solved the problem of the people of desert region to a great extent. Farmers grow wheat, gram, bajra, jawar and maize. Suratgarh near Ganganagar has grown into the biggest and largest wheat farm in Asia. Now, ship of the desert. We all know that the ship of the desert is camel. The camels have padded feet through which they can easily walk as well as run on the loose sand, and that's why they are used for transportation purpose in the desert. Despite camels can stay without water and food for a long time. Their vision is not affected by the dust storms. Camel skin is also used to make tents, and their hair is used to make clothes. Camels are used for plugging fields as well as for drawing water from the wells. Now, life of the people in the desert. Life of the people in the desert is very difficult. Why? Because there is less rainfall, so people are not able to grow many crops. So many people live here like nomads. What are nomads? Nomads are people who do not have permanent homes and move from one place to another in search of food, means of livelihood, and pastures for their animals. Nomads are also called banjaras. Most of the houses in the desert region have small windows and flat roofs. The walls in these houses are thick so that they remain cool. Some houses also have underground water tanks in order to store water. Now, despite of so many problems and hardships, people are cheerful and happy. Because whatever challenges life throw at us, we should always remain happy, yes? So that's why here people choose to be happy. They love to sing and dance. Both man and woman wear colorful and bright dresses. Here, man wear white dhotis with bright kurtas and turbans, whereas women wear colorful ghagra cholis and odnis. Now, some of the important festivals that are celebrated in Rajasthan are Gangaur, Tej, Holi, Dashera, Diwali and Eid. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Jaipur is also called the Pink City. Here there are so many places of tourist interest. Some of the places are Jaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Ajmer, Kota and Udaipur. People visit forts, palaces, temples, and some even go to the heart of the desert to see the sand dunes.